What's up guys, this is Jumal Stock here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are watching this video, trust me that you are gonna rock after watching this video. And we warmly welcome you to the channel, and if you forget to subscribe and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on the notify button to get notification from our new video. So the first thing is, how are you all doing? I think everyone is doing well, and today we are going to see that 5 important accessories that every student must have or needed. So when it comes to studies, you might think that, so I'm 50, can I just be a student? Oh yes, you can be a student. There's no age limit for studying, and when you are in the age of 50, if you are still studying, then you are known as a student. So the first stuff we are gonna look at is a backpack, and every student need a bag. And why I'm suggesting you to take a good backpack is, nowadays there are good backpacks which is very stylish, and there are tremendous of technological stuff in it. So for example, I have got a backpack with a USB enabled charging system. So when you are with the technology, nowadays we all use a smartphone, so we need to get a charge. So this is very easy, and a stylish backpack is very important for a student. And number two is a laptop. So nowadays every student must have a laptop for studying stuff. Okay, so we mostly use a laptop for media purposes unless then we study stuff. Okay, so it's not about what they do, it's about what you do. Okay, you use your technological device to improve yourself, not to do some other dirty stuff or stuff. So make sure that you study and use your laptop for very useful stuff. Okay, that's number 2. Number three is a small audio recorder. So what I used to do when I'm on my lecture, so I used to go on the front and sit, because sitting in the front can make me to record in a clear voice section. So what I do is I record that stuff. Okay, so every student, yeah, it's not must, but it's better if you have a recorder, or even though you can use your smartphone to make as a good recorder. Sometimes they might ask you, what are you doing, man? Then you can just say, hey, hold on, I'm taking notes. Okay, this is how I study. Do your own business. That's it. Okay, so now I'll come for the fourth. Okay, the fourth thing is a notebook. Okay, guys, keep a notebook, okay, with a pen. So now you can have whatever size you want. A small size is better. Okay, a notebook. Keep a notebook with you all. Whenever you want, just write it. I'm a guy who write things. Okay, so I have a notebook in my backpack. What I do is, if I want to do something, or if I want to take a note, I just take the pen and I write it myself, so I can keep it in my mind as well while writing it. Okay, so the fourth one is a notebook. Okay, the fifth one, okay, it might look like, why he's telling this as fifth one? Okay, what is that? Is an headphone. Okay, so the headphone, normally we used to listen songs or watch movie in private, so that's the purpose of the headphones nowadays that we use. But what I'm suggesting you to do is, first, the third one I told you about, taking a small recorder. Okay, you need to record your study stuff and important stuff. So when you're on travel, or when you're after coming home, just play that in your headphone in the silent. Okay, so let others think that you are doing, let them think that you are not studying, or you're doing some other stuff. Don't think about them. Okay, just focus on what you're doing, and stylish headphones are always cool. Okay, you can use them. So the 5 accessories that we are seeing is very important for the student. And okay guys, see you all next time. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and go to my Instagram for fashion updates and stuff, and give us your full support. So until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.